don't belittle the work which is done by the interns by paying them less than 30,000 shillings, even less than a security officer, you know. Number three, they are saying that they are overworked. They cannot continue working, you know, many hours.
The health ministry is sick, the country is sick, and therefore, as a result of that, we have come up with an impeachment motion. We are going back on Tuesday to Parliament, and this is the letter that we've sent to the clerk of the National Assembly so far on an impeachment motion that we want to impeach the Cabinet Secretary for Health, Nakumicha, and we want her to continue staying at the funerals where she's enjoying staying instead of meeting the doctors and doing her job.
Kuna jambo ambalo ni jambo zito. Tunaona pesa nyingi zinatumika kiolela. Pesa nyingi zinatumika kwa mambo madogo madogo. Ati hospitality, sijui kumetumika mamilioni mangapi. Ati sijui travels, kumetumika mamilioni mangapi. Na jambo la afya linawekwa nyuma, jambo la afya ambalo ni jambo ambalo ndo litasimamisha nchi ama litaangusha nchi. Kwa
pay us what you owe us. Employ doctors even if they are not tenders. We know. So it is not attractive. But do the godly thing. Having said that, our doctors remain solid, and we are going to have the mother of all demonstrations of Tuesday, ostensibly, look for the government.
With the increasing high cost of living in this country, how do you dare reduce the salary of a medical doctor? It is very shameful, and we are calling the government to order. All this that has happened to this country, if we are in a very civilized country, 21 days of doctors striking, surely that calls for impeachment even of the president.
Proves that even if it needs to be done within the supplementary tool that is coming up. So we are pleading with the government that before Tuesday, when we table our motion, kindly sit down with these doctors and let us have an applicable solution.
Na Kiama kia ODM kiria gito